the supermarket.
Oh, cool.
And I bought some fruit.
Yes, I love fruit.
You want to see?
Yeah.
I bought an apple.
Cool.
I bought an orange.
Excellent.
And I bought some corn.
Corn
Yes.
is not a fruit.
Oh.
Corn is a vegetable.
Oh. Okay.
Let's review that. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? So you say, it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Oh, it's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
Nice. Okay. Let's start with an orange.
An orange. It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Lemon.
A lemon. It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Fruit.
Carrot.
It's a fruit.
A carrot is a fruit.
Yeah.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
The tomato.
It's a fruit.
Technically, it's a fruit, but do you eat tomato ice cream?
No.
No. So tomato is a vegetable. It's a vegetable. Easy. An apple.
It's a fruit.
The apple is a fruit. Yes. The avocado.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable. The strawberry.
It's a fruit. It's
a fruit. The salad.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable. Ooh.
No salad. Ice cream.
Difficult. Yeah. Oh.
No salad ice cream.
Salad ice cream.
Yeah.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
There's no watermelon ice cream, so it's a vegetable.
Is it a vegetable or a fruit? What do you think? I don't know. I think it's a fruit. You think it's a vegetable? You know what? In the middle.
Okay.
In the middle. Oh! What is this?
A pine.
A pine carrot. No.
A pineapple.
A pineapple.
Pineapple.
A pineapple. Yes.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Very quickly. Did you see?
It was yellow.
Yellow. It is yellow.
It was corn.
It's not corn. No, it is yellow. It's not corn.
It's a monkeys eat it.
Ah.
Monkeys eat it.
Yeah. It's a banana. So, it's a fruit or it's a vegetable?
It's a fruit.
It is. It's a fruit. Could you read?
It was upside down.
Oh. It says grape.
It says grape.
What is grape? Grape.
Little.
So, is grape a fruit or a vegetable?
A fruit?
It is. It's a fruit. Good job. And the last one. What is this? It is long. And what color is it?
It's green.
It is long and green. You can eat this with tomato salad. You don't eat this with bananas. No. So it's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
What is it?
A Cucumber.
Cucumber. And the cucumber is a vegetable. Excellent.
Yeah.
Good. Ooh. I've got a card. It is yellow. Okay?
The sun?
No, it's not the sun. It is yellow, it is long, and it is a fruit.
Oh.
What is it? It is yellow. It is long.
And a fruit.
It is a fruit.
Is it a banana?
Yes! Nice! Okay.
My turn.
Okay. My turn. I concentrate.
Ooh, it's yellow.
A banana.
No.
It's yellow.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
And
A banana.
No. And it's round.
It is yellow. It is a fruit. It's not long.
No.
It's round. Oh, is it a lemon?
Yes, it's a lemon.
It's a lemon.
Well
Nice.
done.
Okay. It is a fruit.
Okay.
It is round.
Okay. An apple?
No. Very fast. And it's orange.
Orange.
Orange. The orange is orange, simply. Okay, last one. Your turn.
Okay. Whoa. It's round.
Okay.
It's red.
Oh, an apple.
No. It is sometimes thinks it's a fruit. Sometimes people think it's a vegetable.
Fruit and vegetable. Red. Round. Fruit and... Can you make a salad with this?
Yes, but not an ice cream.
Okay. It's a tomato.
Yes! Well done.
Yes. Okay. That's a big memory game. Oh yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25.
Oh, that's
So
big.
we have to look for fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
You start.
A pineapple.
Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable?
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Find the pineapple.
A lemon.
Lemon. Okay. My turn. Strawberry.
Is it a fruit or a vegetable?
It's a fruit. Strawberry is a fruit. Lemon. Ooh. Oh.
So you have lemon.
Yeah.
And
Where is the lemon?
it was here. Yes.
Ah!
Lemon is a fruit.
Okay. You continue. You win. You continue. The first to have 3 points is the winner.
Banana.
Banana
Is a fruit.
is a fruit.
Is a fruit. Salad.
Salad.
Not a fruit.
Not a fruit.
Vegetable.
Okay, my turn. Ooh! That's lucky!
That's good. Salad.
Salad. And salad.
Salad.
A vegetable. And 1 point for me. So I continue.
Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Fruit, vegetable. Where is tomato number 2? Help me. Where? No, that's the banana.
Oh.
Yeah? Oh, banana!
Oh! Aha! Banana.
Ah!
Bananas are fruit.
They are fruit. That's 2 points for Rachel, okay? 2 points for
I
Rachel.
go again.
Yeah, you go again.
Carrots.
Carrot?
Did we have carrots?
No, I don't know. I don't think it's somewhere.
I don't remember.
Oh, tomato!
So, fruit or vegetable? Carrots a vegetable.
Tomato. Now, do you remember where the tomato was? That's carrot. That's carrot. I think tomato number 2 is here.
Let's see.
No, it's great!
Oh, it's great!
So it's here. Oh!
Oh
Your turn,
no!
Rachel.
Let's
your
try.
turn.
Let's try. It was there. And tomato.
Ah!
I go again. 3
3 points. You win, but you can continue if you want.
Cucumber
Cucumber.
and strawberry.
Strawberry, that's it. Sorry. Well, Rachel has 3 points. I have 1. Rachel is the winner.
I'm the winner.
Bye, everyone.
Wait.
Oh.
25.
Yeah.
That's an odd number.
Hey, where's the second orange? What's the second? She was no. You were cheating. Bye.